Okay, we are going from Tbilisi to Batumi today on the train. Now, what Anthony doesn't know is that today I booked us in first class. Now, we typically go for second class, which is 25 gel. However, because it's the busy season, it is July, everyone's traveling. In order for us to get to Batumi anytime this week, the only option left was first class. So today I'm going to show you what first class is, and most importantly, is it worth it? Because it is 61 gel, which is about $20, whereas every other time we've gone to Batumi, we just booked second class, which is 25 gel, which is the equivalent of about a little more than $8. Is that right? Yeah, a little more than $8. So they're usually pretty stingy, strict about filming inside. So I'm gonna try to do the best that I can, try to hide it. Let's see how this goes. So someone's in the toilet now. So later I'll go and check it out. But this is first class. And then our seats. Oh, we got a shade. Got a tray table. Footrest. Okay, this is the toilet. It looks just like an airplane toilet right there. Really nothing special. You have a sink, soap, water, and actually a hairdryer. Okay, so my boyfriend is like 6'4", so you can see all the legroom that he has here. The seats are leather, whereas in second class they are cloth. And look at this. You get your own 2 outlets here. That's awesome. Footrest. Oh yeah, you want to show them how it reclines? Oh, you were reclined. Okay, now do it. Yeah, and you still have leg room. So the big question is, was it worth first class for $20? I have mixed views on this. If I had never taken the train before, I would say 100% it is so worth $20 for a 5.5 hour train ride in first class with leather seats and outlets. But I have taken this train a couple times before in second class, and for me, it's not worth 3 times the amount that second class is, right? Second class is only $7. It's literally on the same train. You use the same bathrooms. For me, I will still continue to purchase second class seats for $7, but first class, it was nice, but for me, I can't justify the price point. As always, like the video, leave me a comment. Have you taken this train to Batumi before? Which seat classes did you go with? Did you go with first class or did you go with second class? Subscribe for more unique travel adventures. Make sure you hit the bell, that little notification button, so you're the first to know of any videos I release, and the next one will be right here in 3, 2, 1.